சார் உங்களுக்கு என்ன, நீங்கள் வந்து ரெடியாகணும், எல்லாம் சாப்பாடு ரெடியாக இருக்கும், டிஃபன் ரெடியாக இருக்கும், சாப்பிடுவீங்க, கார் இருக்கும், வந்து காரில் ஏறிப்போம், ஆஃபீஸ் வந்துடுவீங்க. பட் நான் அப்படி இல்லை. காலையில் 4:30 மணிக்கு எந்திரிப்பேன். 4:30 மணிக்கு எந்திரிச்சு வீடெல்லாம் க்ளீன் பண்ணி, சமையல் ரெடி பண்ணி, என் வீட்டுக்காரருக்கு வேணுங்கிறத பண்ணி கொடுத்து, மாமனார் மாமியாவை பார்த்து, குழந்தைகளை பள்ளிக்கூடத்துக்கு கிளம்புறதுக்கு ரெடி பண்ணி எல்லாத்தையும் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டு நான் வரணும். சாயந்தரம் நான் 6 மணிக்கு போனால் இவ்வளவும் திருப்பி செய்யணும். நாம் வந்து பெண்களுக்கு இடவசதி வேணும், அதாவது வேலை வாய்ப்புக்கு ஒதுக்கீடு வேணும், படிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு படிக்க வச்சு வேலை வாய்ப்பு வாங்கி கொடுத்து என்ன நடக்குது இன்னைக்கு? பெண்கள் வந்து வேலை செய்வது மட்டுமல்லாமல் வீட்டிலையும் அந்த குடும்ப பளு எவ்வளவு பளு, 2 வேலை. இன்னொரு நம்ம ஆண்கள் ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட்டாக பண்ணுறது என்னன்னா, வெளியே போய் சம்பாதிக்கிற வேலைக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு பண மதிப்பு உண்டு. பெண்கள் வீட்டில் எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. காலையில் 4:30 மணிலேருந்து எங்கள் செக்ரட்டரி சொல்லுவாங்க, 4:30 மணிலேருந்து 9 மணி வரைக்கும் எவ்வளோ கஷ்டம். அதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு விலை மதிப்பு இருக்கிறதா? ஊதியம் கொடுக்குறோமா? கொடுக்கறதில்ல. ஆக பெண்கள் வந்து வேலை செய்யணும்னு சொல்லும் பொழுது கூடவே அரசாங்கம் என்ன பண்ணும்? பெண்கள் வேலைக்கு போக வேண்டும் என்றால் ஆண்கள் வீட்டு வேலைகளை பகிர்ந்து கொள்ளணும். என்ன சொல்லணும்? பெண்கள் சொல்லணும், அது சொல்லணும். நீங்கள் நான் வந்து ஒரு நாள் கல்யாணம் பண்ணா கூட பெண்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் பண்ணிங்கன்னா கூட நான் ஒரு நாள் சமைக்கிறேன், நீ ஒரு நாள் சமை. நான் ஒரு நாள் வீடு கூட்டுறேன், நீ ஒரு நாள். ஏன் செய்யக்கூடாது? நான் உங்களிடம் கேட்டுக்கொள்வதெல்லாம் தயவு செய்து யோசிச்சு பாருங்கள். பெண்களுக்கு எப்படி சரிப்பட்டு வரும்? பெண்கள் வேலை செய்யன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, நீங்கள் வேலைக்கு போ படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வீட்டு பழுவையும் சேர்த்தி சரி வராது. ஸோ அரசாங்கமே என்ன பண்ணும்? எப்பொழுது பெண்களுக்கு இடஒதுக்கீடு வேணும், வேலைக்கு போகணும்னு சொல்கிறோமோ அப்பொழுதே குடும்ப வேலைகளை ஆண்களும் பகிர்ந்து கொள்ள வேண்டும். இந்த எண்ணம் வந்து ஆணுக்கு பெண் சமம்ங்கிற எண்ணம் நம்ம ஒவ்வொருடைய மனதிலையும் தீவிரமாக சொல்றேன், இருந்தால்தான் மாற்ற முன்னேற்றம் வரும். ஜேடி சந்தானம்னு ஒருத்தர் இருந்தார். 1962 ஒரு பாட்டு, நல்ல பாட்டு. ஆடிப்பெருக்கு படம் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? சினிமா ஆடிப்பெருக்கு படத்தில் இந்த பாடலோட முடிச்சிடறேன் நான். ஆடிப்பெருக்கு படத்தில் தயவுசெய்து இந்த பாட்டை கேளுங்க. கண்ணிழந்த மனிதர் முன்னே ஓவியம் வைத்தார், கண்ணிழந்த மனிதர் முன்னே ஓவியம் வைத்தார், காதிழந்த மனிதர் முன்னே பாடல் இசைத்தார். 2 கண்ணும் தெரியல, அவங்க முன்னாடி ஒரு ஓவியம் வைக்கிறாங்க. காதிழந்த மனிதர் முன்னே பாடல் இசைத்தார், கண்ணிருந்தும் ஓவியத்தை காட்டி மறைத்தார். கண் இருக்குது, ஓவியத்தை காட்டி மறைத்தார். காதிருந்தும் பாடலை பாதியில் முடித்தார். அப்புறம் பின்ன 2-3 ஸ்டான்ஸா, கடைசி ஸ்டான்ஸா, முன்னுமில்லை பின்னுமில்லை முடிவுமில்லை, இந்த மூடர் செய்த விதிகளுக்கு தெளிவும் இல்லை. அதை நான் நம்ம பண்ணதான். பெண்கள் இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும், இது பெண்ணுரிமை பற்றிய பாட்டு. முன்னுமில்லை பின்னுமில்லை முடிவுமில்லை, இந்த மூடர் செய்த விதிகளுக்கு தெளிவும் இல்லை. 1962 ஆடிப்பெருக்கு பாட்டு. அதை கேளுங்க. என்னுடைய ஒரே வேண்டுகோள், ஆண்களாகட்டும் பெண்களாகட்டும், நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் உங்களுடைய ரத்தத்தில் ஊற வேண்டியது, எந்த சமயத்திலேயாவது பெண்களுக்கு ஒரு அந்த சமன் இல்லாமல் நிலைப்பாடு வந்தால் நீங்கள் ப்ரொடெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும், தவறுன்னு சொல்லணும். நல்லது கெட்டது நீங்கள் இந்த எண்ணம் வரலன்னா கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் 1000 வருஷம் ஆனாலும் சரி, எவ்வளவு படிக்க வச்சாலும் சரி, இந்த சமூகத்தினுடைய பார்வையில் ஆண் பெண் சமம் இந்த காரணத்துக்காக அப்படிங்கிற தெளிவு வர வேண்டும் என்று கூறிக்கொண்டு உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது மனமார்ந்த சர்வதேச மகளிர் தின வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Of greatness and potential of achievers are exhibited in every opportunity that arises. Here we have some of those who have honed their skills to take on the real world. May we now request our distinguished Chief Executive, Dr. A.M. Nadarajan, a constant motivator who has left no stone unturned to bring about the best in our students, to present the list of awardees.
எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். அடுத்தது அவார்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு வந்து அவார்ட் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் யாருன்னாக்கா மோகன சுந்தரி அவர்கள். இன்றைக்கி அவங்களுக்கு வந்து 4 ப்ரோக்ராம் இருக்குது கோயம்புத்தூரில். இவ்வளோ ப்ரோக்ராம் இருந்தும் நம்மளுடைய அன்புக்கு என்னை பணிந்து எப்படியாவது சரி நான் வந்துடுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க ப்ரோக்ராம் எல்லாம் ஏர்லி மார்னிங் அவங்க ஃபேக்ட்ரியில் முடிச்சுட்டு இன்றைக்கி இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு வந்திருக்காங்க. அம்மா ரொம்ப நன்றி. அவங்க she is a bright entrepreneur in Coimbatore and she is wanted everywhere in Coimbatore. அவங்களுடைய ஆர்கனைசேஷனில் more than 70% of the people are women. அதுக்காக நீங்கள் கைத்தட்டலாம். she is ரொம்ப பிஸி பர்சன். நம்ம சேர்மன் சொன்ன மாதிரி 2 கவர்னர்கிட்ட அவார்டு வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. நிறைய அவார்ட்ஸ் அவங்களுக்கு வந்துகிட்டே இருக்குது. போன வருஷம் டிசம்பர் மாதம் ஒன்று வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவார்டு வாங்கிட்டே இருக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க ரூமில் போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா எல்லா அவார்டாக வச்சுருக்காங்க. இட்ஸ் வெரி நைஸ். நோ ஐ ரிக்வெஸ்ட் மிஸ்ஸஸ் மோகன சுந்தரி டு ஃபெலிசிட்டேட் அவர் அவார்டிஸ்.
இந்தியாவில் மட்டும் இல்லை, ஃபாரினில் நிறைய இடத்துல ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இன்டர்நேஷ்னல், அதுக்கப்புறமா யுனைடெட் நேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃபீஸ் ஃபார் ப்ராஜெக்ட் சர்வீஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. மறுபடியும் யுனைடெட் நேஷன்ஸ் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ப்ரோக்ராமில் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அவருடைய எம்பிஏ டிகிரி பற்றி நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அந்த எம்பிஏ டிகிரி வந்து 3 யூனிவர்சிட்டி சேர்ந்து கொடுக்குற எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் எம்பிஏ, குளோபல் எம்பிஏ. நியூயார்க் யூனிவர்சிட்டி, லண்டன் ஸ்கூல் ஆஃப் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் அண்ட் பிரான்ஸ்ல 3 யூனிவர்சிட்டி சேர்ந்து இந்த எம்பிஏ எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் எம்பிஏ கொடுக்குறாங்க. அவங்க கிரேட் ஆண்டர்பிரினர், சோஷியல் ஒர்க்கர். டாக்டர் சீதாரா விக்ரம், அவங்க நம்ம ஊர் ஈரோடு, கோயம்புத்தூர், ஃபேமஸான ஸ்கூல்ஸ் நடத்திட்டு வந்துருக்காங்க. She has got more than 10 years of practicing experience in London. அவங்க வந்து சைக்காட்ரிக் வந்து லண்டன் ஸ்கூலில் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ராயல் லண்டன் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. செயின்ட் மேரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல், செல்சியா அண்ட் வெஸ்ட்மின்ஸ்டர் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல். நிறைய got a very wide experience. அதுக்கப்புறமா வந்து இப்போ ஸ்கூல் 2 ஸ்கூல் ஆரம்பிச்சு இட்ஸ் அ வெல் நோன் ஸ்கூல். இட்ஸ் நோ வாண்டட் டு எவ்ரிஒன். நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கோகிலா ஃபாரின்லேருந்து வந்த மாதிரி இருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேட்ச் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் 2000 கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங் யூனிவர்சிட்டி ப்ரோக்ராம். ஒரு 50 இயர்ஸ்க்கு மேலே வேலை அவங்க கம்பெனியில் வேலை செஞ்சுருக்காங்க. வைட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இன் HCM and CSE. He is the co-founder and director of Pluto Group of Companies, Chennai.
கொஞ்சம் சேர்ந்து
guest of the day, Tirumati J. Mohanasundari. She did her MSc from Sita Lakshmi Ramasamy College, Trichy. She started her career as a lecturer and later moved from teaching to develop the entrepreneurial venture. KJ Sharp Trendies was founded and developed by her, revolutionizing the concept of water pump from a heavy-duty industrial product to a domestic appliance. Madam, the dais is all yours.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கங்கள். மேடையில் வீற்றிருக்கும் அவார்டு வாங்கினவங்களுக்கும் அவார்டு கொடுத்தவங்களுக்கும் அவார்டு வாங்க போகிறவங்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய இனிய காலை வணக்கங்கள், வாழ்த்துக்கள். அனைவருக்கும் எனது உலக மகளிர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். This is 108th year of International Women's Day celebration is happening so nicely, whereas this day was celebrated even last 1 week. I was attending the International Women's Conference in so many places and receiving award, giving award, like that it's happening. In fact, before knowing all these things, some 30 years back, when I was lecturer in Salem Sri Sarada College, there in that college, International Women's Day was celebrated. That time it was not known to many. I think Mrs. Sarojini Varadappan and all leading ladies were there. I happened to be there, but I never ever expected that I would also be there in the future, one day as a chief guest, one day receiving award on this day and all. I never ever thought. And Sir told about Smriti Irani. In fact, 2012 or 13, International Women's Day was celebrated in Art of Living Ashram, Bangalore, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's. In that, I was given Visalakshi Award. There, Smriti Irani was one of the speakers where she was not elected as the minister. Even that time she spoke. After she became minister, so many, that her speech that was given there was made such a very big impact in the social media. So she's such an, that is fighting. One should have that much courage. And always people think that ladies weaker section, this and all. No way. That and all, those days are gone. Now you are seeing the examples of your own colleagues. And I really appreciate the policy that your management, Sir told that we used to call alumni to give award. And this concept, it is very, very appreciable that it gives lot of encouragement to the students, especially women, to come up in their life. I know Satyamangalam in and around village, like, but now so many people are coming to this institution. As far as I know, many outsiders, BIT has earned a very big impact in the engineering college, because I was also in CIT and my colleague Mr. Dhanabalan sir, so many are there, and a lot of changes are happening. And when I was a lecturer in CIT, only 3 staff members were there and a few students. Now imagine how many students are there. In fact, in many of the classes, ladies are maximum. Do you agree? And this year's theme, already we surpassed that theme, 50-50 parity, gender equality, that is already gone. And they fixed up, it is 2030, before that it should attain. No, in our company, we start with prayer, and morning I attended the prayer because I wanted to make it, because our company, initially Sharp Trendies was maximum women. 100% women unit it was, because the success of this goes to my husband. For every successful woman, men, there is a woman, that was the saying. But in my case, for the success of me, my profession or whatever I am today, because of my husband. He is the person behind all the successes, all the awards, everything all goes to him. He only made me what I am today. So it is like I'm also, I was from Kalapati. Kalapati is not like today. In those days it was like no bus facility for 5 miles up to PSG Arts or up to Saravanambatti. It is a very narrow road, both the side Solakadu. பயமா இருக்கும், நடந்து போக முடியாது, வண்டி அப்படி. So with great difficulty, I studied in Kalapatti Government School only in Tamil medium. PUC to BSc, I came to Krishnamal College in the hostel, and daily I used to go that I'm not able to understand anything because English is new to me, and with great difficulty. But those people who are high-fi in my class, they all failed. I got first mark. Then BSc also, I got first mark. And the MSc also first class. Then I went to SRC to study my MSc because their co-education only in PSG Arts, MSc Physics was their co-education. I was afraid to study along with in the co-ed. So I went to SRC for MSc. But now, after that, when the situation comes, no, everything is within us. I was teaching in CIT, and then after coming to the business, wherever I go, many men only, export, import, and meetings, EPC meeting, EPC award and all. Now at least some women are coming. In the initial stages, 10, 15 years back and all, I was the only lady used to get the award in the EPC and all. That was the situation. So now I'm able to make it, means everything is within us. Only thing, we don't know our strength. We think we are not, somebody has to come and say. We have to, all inner strength is there. When that opportunity comes, automatically it will come out. But only thing, when the challenges comes, when the situation arises, when some problem comes, you have to take it as a challenge. That is the only thing I want to insist to all the girl students here. You too can do wonders in your life. This is, nothing is impossible. Only thing, you must have that inner strength. It is there inside, like seed. When the opportunity comes, it grows as a tree, it blossoms like anything. So you too can become, but for that you must have the self-confidence first. To start with, you should have the self-confidence, 3 types of confidence. Yourself, then around the society, then finally to the divine. If one is not there, means nothing will happen. So you should have that, if you don't believe in divine, that the way the world is revolving, or the nature, or Allah, Yesu, Krishna, whoever it may be. But to have that confidence. If you have that confidence, then anything and everything is possible. So how many of you want to become entrepreneurs? Only very few. Only this much. Why you all want to go for IT companies, or you want to work for somebody else? Okay, go and work. All these awardees are, you have seen, no? Then even after that, you don't want to become entrepreneurs. You have come to engineering college, whereas I did my only MSc Physics. Then of course, after coming to business, my husband only influenced me to do MBA. I did my MBA. That's why it helps me to run the business. So now you tell me, how many of you wants to become an? Not enough. I want to agree. Okay, at the end of my speech, I will ask, you have to tell me. I expect many more to come up. See, you work for somebody, it's okay. But get some experience. Then after some time, after gaining the knowledge, after gaining the experience, because nowadays lot of opportunities are there. One person, you have to think differently. Lot of opportunities, think differently, start something. And why don't you work for some people instead of you working for somebody else? You can give job opportunity for so many. Under you can guide them. Because satisfaction is, I love teaching. I was a lecturer for 14 years. But during that period itself, because of my interest, my husband taught everything. He was the pioneer in introducing this pump in India, because previously it was 30 kilo weighing pump and motor coupled. And first when they went to Dubai to study the electrode manufacturing plant, because those people called to study the electrode manufacturing plant and make it in India. Because those days only Lincoln and L&T were big giants were there. So they invited, by knowing their workmanship, quality speaks. Quality in supplying the Rohini rocket bodies and valves to ISRO when Dr. Abdul Kalam was the project manager there. So knowing that quality, they invited, Sanar people invited to Dubai, you come and study the plant and you can make it, because those days import duty was very high. So they went to, my husband and his brother went to Dubai to study the electrode plant. 1 month they stayed because it took so long, no computer, no CAD-CAM those days in 1977. So along with that drawing, when they went around the market, they saw the condemned pump, they brought that also along with them. Then parallelly they worked both the electrode plant and as well as pump. And then we supplied them the requirement. Then afterwards they said, okay, you sell it to outside. Then when as a demo plant, we made this sharp electrode plant. One plant making 2-ton electrodes. Now we have 2 10-ton electrode plant we are having. That means 10-ton production in 8 hours, like the 2 plants. And then a pump, first pump was sold by me to my colleague in CIT, physics department, Mr. Somasundaram. I told him, sir, you buy this pump, neenga parunga, thanni edutha panam kudunga, it is a new pump. Then they said it is small, idu thanni edukkumanu ketanga. Then afterwards, after some time, everybody used to come to with recommendation, madam, I need pump, I need pump. Then my husband used to tease me, are you going to college to teach or sell the pump like that? That was the situation. But still now, I focus only the quality. Quality, because that all inculcated in my mind from my husband, I got it. Taram ondre nirantaram, yengum taram, edilum taram. This is my policy, wherever, whatever, everything should be quality. There is no compromise in quality, and same way commitment. Once you are starting means you must keep these to mind. No shortcut method for achieving the success. And if you are starting whatever it may be, you should break the boundaries. We are having that boundary around ourselves. We cannot, we want to be in the comfort zone. Nobody wants to have a change. Change is the only permanent thing you have to accept. அப்படியே கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருந்தால் nobody wants இல்லை, வேலைக்கு போயிட்டு அப்படியே வந்துக்கலாம். No, don't want to take any risk. Of course, risk involved is business. High risk, high profit like that. But calculated risk you can take. Calculated risk means that plan with some business. Anything if you plan, then you can take calculated risk. I am taking only calculated risk. No way it should go wrong like that. So you can do it. You can do anything and everything. Opportunities are plenty. Now our pump, so many duplicates are there in the pump industry as well as electrodes. But both these Sharp brand, I am making it good quality, so that now the Chinese people and so many duplicates are coming in the market. Now my challenge is only that. So far I didn't have any marketing department, no service center for us, because our product doesn't require any service center or doesn't require any market manager to sell. Our product speaks in the market, and our customers are our marketing department. They came to know about our product and is coming either in the local or in the abroad also. All over we are making. We are exporting. Our electrodes are 95% exported. It is only pure quality. It is not how you speak, how you do. The quality should speak in the market. So you be the confident, you think it over, you make an effort, you see, find out the opportunities, what is the need. Now, after net and all, no, within fingertips, you can get all the data in hand and you can do anything. You explore the market, you explore the things, what are the raw materials around, available in and around. From that, you think what is the need. Now, organic farming and organic, everything is, so many projects are available. And there are Codicea, CAI, so many people, even TAI is there. They are all there to give you guidance. And all the banks are waiting. If you have an idea, banks are waiting to give you money. What else is you need to start? Why you are hesitant? You will get it. But only thing, you must have these two things, quality policy, and you must be willing to go through that one. And for that, you must have enough strength, enough stress-free mind and disease-free body. This is Sri Sri quotes this disease-free body and stress-free mind is the birthright of each and every person. So disease-free, you check, everybody are on the other way. He used to say, half the wealth, throughout their life, half the life, they are spending their half the health to earn the money and spend that money to get back the health. That shouldn't be the case. So already here, I think all of you have undergone the Art of Living basic course and yes course, and also I don't know how many of you are practicing. What I'm today, because of that, one side only I have been telling all these things. I want to tell the other side of my thing. Me and my husband both were happy looking after the business. Everything was going on till 2005. All of a sudden, one day night, all of a sudden, I lost my husband. There ends everything. So that was a difficult situation, difficult situation. Within 2 months, I lost my father also because he couldn't bear the loss of my husband. So that was the challenge, very big challenge. No support from any side. And customers also, everybody was in a dilemma whether this company will run or not. I was also totally drowning like anything. I'm telling this because I want you to get the strength. For that only I'm telling. So that time, no, you won't even know what is going on around, almost gone. Then I heard somebody talking, this can be sold, we can sell this, like that. Then only it struck my mind. Suddenly I got up. What I'm doing, anyway, happened is happened. Now I have to take this to fulfill my husband's dream. So that only made me what I am today. Just one thought. One thought, you have to think it, you have to give. That one thought made me what I am today. Let me go through the challenges, let me make this, because directly, indirectly, so many families, that 150 employees, then suppliers, distributors, dealers, customers, if we think of very big group, so what will happen to these two companies if it is closed down to all these people? That 1 second, it is spark like. That spark only made me what I am today. Then I made up my mind, okay, let me do it. My husband used to love the song Ovuru Pookalume. All of you, I want to write that song and read it. Take each and every word inside. That is what I did. That made a very big impact. We have to go, see something, you have to take that essence, you take it. I took it. Let me take it as a challenge. All those people, customers were not giving the orders because the reason they told, no, இந்த அம்மாவுக்கு என்ன தெரியும், வீட்டுக்கு போனால் சமைச்சு போட தெரியும், பிஸ்னஸ் என்ன தெரியும். Though I was with my husband since 92 onwards, looking after all the business, but I was behind my husband. So not, and I am a good host. I love hosting people. So everybody enjoyed, they were telling this. I kept it, I didn't get angry with anybody. I just accepted everything. Okay, I have to take it, all those things. Again, that song helped me. Ella uramaganungra madri, I took it. Okay, iduvum kadandu pogum. I took it. And moreover, in the meantime, already we both were doing Art of Living, Pranayama, Kriya, and everything, my husband and me. So I continued, I met Guruji and all, then everything, that Guru's grace, what I am today. So he said the word, he is with you, you continue to do the seva. That also helped me to overcome everything. From that onwards, everything, he used to say, if people are there, to set an example. Every people, from everybody, even எறும்புலிருந்து சுறுசுறுப்பாக இருக்கிறது எப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். மோசமான இருக்கிறவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து how not to be. You can learn how to be. Some people are there to set an example how not to be. You learn from them how not to be and thank them for being like that, being an example. They set an example for you how not to be. So be thankful. That is what I did. Okay, I took it everything okay. Let me prove. I proved. This, I requested, sir, I want order from Muscat, one person. I want order. I don't want to give no work to our employees. I want. I got the order. The same, whatever rate you want, you are asking, I'm accepting. I accepted. But after some years, I really proved commitment. I honored. Quality continuously improved. Workers were taken care of very well. All are happy. Within 2-3 years, the same person was asking, Madam, you give me the date. Say whatever may be the rate you are telling, I'm agreeing, you give me the date. Because once given the date, we will never, so far in our history, never ever deviated. Whatever may be any scarcity, but I keep enough stock because in the export market we cannot be. They are there, we are there for them. They are not there for our timings. When they need it, we have to. Well in advance, we can plan and we have to. Planning is very, very important. So when I crossed so much and so continuously, that year, 2005, I got first award for the sharp trendies. My husband was so happy telling to everybody, this year Akka is getting award. From that onwards, 15 years continuously I've been getting Export Excellence Award. Say, from same Minister Kamal Nath, I received it. 2005 we both received the award. 2006 again Minister Kamal Nath I received. That time I was alone. I'm not able to manage, but he could recognize and asked me. I told last year we both got it, now I am getting like that. So that was the situation. Only thing I have decided, I should keep up that it is possible. And Guruji visited our company. I didn't even see, only the Sankalpa which you made, that will work out. I made Sankalpa. I used to get the award with so much of feeling and crying like, பார்த்து சந்தோஷப்படுறவங்கெல்லாம் இல்லையேங்கிற மாதிரி. But that was heard by Guruji, I think. Guruji visited, I don't know, he himself came and he blessed all our employees because I have given course to all our employees. We are doing Kriya also regularly every Sunday. Guruji looked at all the awards, so many awards, you are going to get one more award like that, he told, and that same year he gave Visalakshi Award. So that everything is taken care. So only thing you have to make it, spend some time with you. We are very busy, we don't have time to spend an important person inside you. You spend some time, keep clear mind, keep up your energy by taking good food, good sleep, and some taking care of your breath, and do the pranayama. Only when the clarity of mind is there, in that space, whatever decision you are taking, that will be successful. Business is nothing but not only business, all life. Everything is the decisions that you are making in your life, right? Decision எடுக்கிறது பொறுத்து தானே நம்ம லைஃப். நீங்கள் இதுக்கு வரதா அது எவ்ரிவேர் டெசிஷன் யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக். எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சாரி வாங்க போனாலே ஒன்று எடுக்கிறீங்க, அப்புறம் கடைசியில் வந்து வாட் எவர் யுவர் இன்ட்யூஷன் டோல்டு தட் ஓன்லி ஒர்க்ஸ். When will you get your intuition? If you start practicing all these things, all your intuition will work perfectly. If I take any decision as per my intuition, 100% success. Sometimes afterwards, if I think logically, if I take other decision, that will go wrong in my experience, I'm telling. So clarity of mind is necessary. Only by doing all this pranayama, kriya, everything, and taking care of your breath. And if you do all these things, then in that clarity of decision, mind, if you take whatever decision you take, you will be successful. That is stress-free. Mind stress is, even one 4-year-old child is stressed out because of the comparison from the parents, neighbors, teachers. How much odi vilayadu papa ellam poiduchilla. So what that freedom, or stress-free mind stressed na, that accumulated leads to all diseases, all stress-related diseases. So that can be removed only when you are in the spiritual path. Thank God you are in an institution which is going in the spiritual line, that you must be gifted. You are all gifted to be the student of in this college. And take care of 3E, energy, empathy and enthusiasm. Don't never ever leave that enthusiasm. And look after ABC. Remember ABC, awareness. Always be in the present moment. Moment to moment you start living. Without awareness only so many things are happening. Either you will be in the past or future which is of no use. Past, if I think of my past, I will go down. It is only anger, we'll be regretting. And future also will be full of fear and anxiety. No need. Live in the present moment. That is the golden. நிகழ்காலம் பொன்னானதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Each and every word is so important. So it is also gift. It is also present. It is also present. It is destined. So be in the present moment. That is be awareness, with awareness. And the be belongingness. With the belongingness, we are all belong to each other. It is destined that I have to talk, you have to listen. This is all belongingness. Each and everybody, every one of us are belong to each other. Where there is no belongingness, corruption begins. In our company, no bribe. For the past 5 years, you can imagine, export business I am doing with a lot of struggles. I have come out without bribe, I am doing business. You people may think, how come நிறைய லஞ்சம் கொடுக்கணும், இது கொடுக்கணும், அது கொடுக்கணும், எப்படி பிஸ்னஸ்ன்னு நினைக்கலாம். That is what people who are coming from abroad, they used to tell. But that is possible. I told Guruji, I'll do without bribe, you have to be with me. I have given a word and I am doing. That is possible. Initially it is struggle, then that is it. அவ்வளோதான். Now it is possible. So you too can think. Don't think of all the negativities. Negative think panna negative-ஆவே போவீங்க. Think of the positives. Because I was in the college, a noble profession, I see all my students in a big level. But after coming to business, I'm happy because I'm able to give so many people who are left out in the family and even physically, mentally challenged people, I'm able to give job. I'm able to feed everybody because my husband's dream. We all have same food in our company. We start with prayer in the morning and we are meditating together. So success is ours. So it is possible. You can think. Now you tell me how many of you wants to become. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, I thought I will, A, B only I told, C I have not told. C is commitment. Whatever you say you committed, you have to honor your commitment. So A, B, C, awareness, belongingness, commitment. If A, B, C irundadana, namak D will be easy. D is the direction of life. All these Guruji's quote only. So, you remember and you follow it up. I thought I got the permission to give our company prayer here because after seeing so many youngsters, I thought I should do this prayer so that energy level will be very high. You can feel the energy. It is simple words. Will you agree? Just a few minutes. I'll just say the words, you just close your eyes